Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a very special recipe called the chicken Mlokiyeh or Molokhiya. I hope I pronounce it properly. That I've actually learned to cook from my mother-in-law. She's amazing, by the way. And this is an authentic Arabic cuisine. It's actually from a Syrian version. So if any of you are willing to try another dish, this is very healthy and delicious as well. So the Mlokiyeh leaves actually is like a green leafy spinach-like leaf. You can either cook it fresh or you can cook it dried. I saw some frozen one as well, but the best version actually that I like is the fresh one because it doesn't take a lot of time to cook. Though preparation might take some time because you're gonna have to remove it, you know, from the stem one by one, and then you're gonna have to rinse it out. I'm gonna show the whole process on this video. I really love this dish. This is the first Arabic dish that I really fell in love with. We also have them in the Philippines and it's called saluyot, though I don't know that you could cook it in this way. So I've never really tried it in my country, but I only tried it here in Dubai actually when I came here, and we always cooked it because number one, it's really packed with high nutritional value. Like it really has lots of nutrients because it's a green leafy vegetable, and the chicken of course is protein. It's a very simple dish. I hope you really like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and the notification bell, of course, so you don't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's get started. This is how the Mlokiyeh leaves look like when you purchase it off on the supermarket. We put it on water so to stay fresh, and you're gonna have to buy a lot of it to produce a good amount of quantity. We're also gonna need some garlic and onion, of course, cardamom, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, and some peppercorns. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable ghee. I use this brand because it's delicious. 150 or 500 grams of chicken breast. And fresh coriander leaves. First, we're going to remove all the leaves from the stem. So this is how it's gonna look like when you remove all of it. Then we're going to wash all these leaves about 2 or 3 times with normal water, and you have to dry them properly. Then we're gonna boil the chicken. So this is the first boil. I throw it out. I put the new water. Then add the onions. Don't have to chop it, just slice it. Some peppercorns, cinnamon stick. I also add a cardamom and the bay leaf inside it. And then we just let it boil for about 15 to 20 minutes while we cover it up. After 20 minutes, the chicken should be almost cooked. Now we're gonna add some seasoning to taste. So this is the salt. I'm just actually eyeballing it. It's about 2 teaspoons of salt. And then also I'm gonna add some black pepper to taste. So just put as much as you like, and then you cover them again and you let it simmer. Then you set it aside. Next, we're gonna chop some garlic and coriander leaves. Then we're going to get our chicken again and then shred it like so.